Well, I'm already at some nice profits based on the day that I joined, and really like the performance out of Baracuda. My name is Simeon, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. Today is the 16th of the 9th, 2024. Just here to just let you guys know about this cool opportunity I got involved with called Baracuda Trade. It's a service website where you could actually go into this website, rent a robot right now for $10 and have this robot linked to your Binance account. And the robot trades automatically on the cash that you set for that robot to trade in your Binance account. So I like that idea because at the end of the day, it's Binance you have in your cash with. And this, if you do your research, how long Binance was out here, you would see it's out here a very long time. And you could actually see the trades that this robot is actually doing. I was really amazed today when I logged in and I checked some of the open trades, right? Although we don't really have to pay attention to that. This is just about the transparency, what the organization is doing in terms of trading. And I just showing you quickly on my Binance account. If I go to look at the trade history, you could see today's date here. A lot of trades was open and I could see a tight risk management in place. And if I select on the coin that I have currently working for me on the trading aspects of it with Baracuda, I could see immediately on the chart here that this particular coin was going on a downtrend. And look at this, guys, a lot of selling orders open here while it was going on a downtrend. So today's Monday. I mean, the trades happen Sunday, Saturday. It's the crypto markets automated with Barracuda. Really cool. What I'm seeing here because I looked a couple of days ago, and even though the markets was moving in a kind of upward trend, I saw that the robot was actually buying too. So I like that real-time scenario that we have available here with Barracuda. So you can see the real G trades open. If you scroll down, you're going to see order history, trade history. You can see what's happening with the robot, but you don't have to pay attention to that. It's just three simple steps in getting started. The first thing is creating an API that allows the robot to link to your Binance account, and you could actually set how much money you want to risk when trading, right? So if you have a $600 account in your Binance, $600 USDT BP20, you could actually assign 200 of that to trade with the Barracuda robot, securing the rest of the money in your Binance account, right? So really cool. What you have access to here, guys. At Barracuda, guys, they estimate on a projection of 30 days. As you can see on my screen here, you're looking at close to 30% on your invested amount. If you choose some of the coins, apart from the Bitcoin and stuff, really simple to select that. I'll show you how to do that. But you have the option of choosing like the BTC as well, but it's a low growth. It's like 10%. You're looking at up to 10% on those coins. So I'll show you how easy it is. When you already buy a subscription right now, there is an offer going on until the 1st of October. This is a great way to get started in understanding what the platform is about. It's literally $10 USDT BP20, right? Once you purchase a subscription, that's the test subscription here, you now have to have a minimum of $150 USDT BP20 in your Binance account. So the robot could link to your Binance account and start trading. So three simple steps: creating the API. That allows your robot to link to your Binance. Second step is buying a subscription. And third step would be activating a strategy, right? So I'm just gonna show you a little strategy, which is popular, the 210 Barracuda bot. We're gonna select create. You could see the API already link here. The pay, right, guys? So what they were saying, up to 30% if you choose some of the tokens that does not have the star at the side of it, right? So a popular coin right now is near USDT. You could select that. You could put a name for it as well. and you could put your deposit amount, how much you wanna trade from your Binance, but you need to have $150 minimum in your Binance account, that is. Right? So really, really cool, guys. Baracuda Trade, I mean, literally $10. You can't go wrong with that because a lot of different schools that teaches you how to trade and stuff, they do even charge $10, right? So you could try it there. I mean, if you have a good size amount in your Binance account, you have the option of getting 3 robots with the light subscription. They do have different packages available. If you want to do a 3 months for 77 .9, you could do that. You could take that subscription, you could trade up to 3 robots, meaning 3 different pairs, right? If you choose anyone, the USDT, the TRX, the near or some, they have a lot of tokens available. You have the option of doing trade, you could trade in volumes up to 3,000 in your Binance. So just an example again, if I were to buy the light subscription, I have $1,000 or let's say 3,000 in the account. I could assign 200 for the robot and on one pair, 200 on a next robot and a next pair, and 200 on a third robot. So that's 3 robots, 200 each, $600 risking out of that $1,000 in my Binance. I could actually do that with the Baracuda option. So I like that risk management. With this particular package, they have the optimal. I mean, guys, it all depends on how much money you have willing to trade in terms of having a robot trade for you, right? Remember, it's happening. All right, so you have the optimal if you're doing 3 months, 180, right? Then you have the best, which I currently subscribe to. I do have a 1 month here of 150. Right, so you have unlimited bots. You have any amount of deposit to work with 150 and above, right? So really, really cool option there with the 150. But again, guys, you could try it for $10. See how it's working. Really cool idea because now when I see people promoting platforms and these platforms asking for deposits, I mean, there's a way backward. This is the way forward here. You have a legitimate Binance account, right? Remember Binance out there years, guys. A lot of people use Binance to exchange crypto. I'm not saying it's a risk-free opportunity, but the chances are greater than you getting involved with a new platform that you put your money in that platform. They say that you tied to a contract, you get daily returns, and you're not really, you're not sure how long they will last because a new organization, but your money in Binance here, you actually setting how much money you want to risk with the Baracuda, but it's pretty impressive. So this is Baracuda Trade. I already seen profits. I mean, if you do it, your markup and your maths properly within a 2 week period, if you do the $10, you do a $200 account, you're done at a break-even stage there because I'd already see $5 growth. I joined on the 11th of this month and really, really like what I'm seeing here. For $10, guys, you can't go wrong. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I saw opportunity, which is pretty unique in terms of linking a robot to a website like Binance is pretty awesome. I've been looking for something like this because in the past, I joined a ton load of different projects and they never had the option to really link to a Binance account, right? And a lot of platforms, you had to deposit into their website and they say that they're trading, doing all sort of things, and when they close down, money gone, right? A worst case scenario, if the bot goes in a loss, it is only based on the amount that you set to trade from your Binance account, right? Remember, guys, there was always as well be risk trading the Forex financial markets or even the crypto markets. Dealing with crypto on the whole, always keep in mind that the risk are there. So always invest money at the end of the day that you could afford to lose, right? It could go either in a positive direction or a negative direction. That's business on the whole, right? With that being said, really appreciate your time listening to what this Baracuda trade is about. If you're into marketing, they also have a marketing plan available. You can check the link in the description for some more information. You could also find a way to reach out to me directly.